Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Mike from TeamHira Adventures, and today we're making some broccoli and chicken. There's the chicken over there, the broccoli over here, and the oil is heating up here. You can make some of this yellow rice, the yellow Spanish style rice. So you can make fried rice with this. Go ahead and season up the chicken. I have green seasoning here. I have garlic powder, some cayenne pepper. Make it a little spicy. I have some jerk seasoning. I have some adobo. I have some black pepper. I have some Cajun seasoning. I have some Chinese sauce. I have some salt. So we're gonna mix this up. I have my gloves on. Alright, so that's it for the chicken, and mix it up there. Alright guys, so I forgot, I didn't add this soy sauce. I just add some soy sauce also. The first one was Chinese sauce, this is soy sauce. So this is the chicken here. I have some red onion here, I'll put in oil. So once the onion fries up, then we add the broccoli after the chicken almost finished. Then we add it, because if you put the broccoli too early, then you get mashed up. So you add the broccoli, the chicken is almost done, finished. Alright, so the onion caramelized, so we add the chicken in now. Give it a stir. Once the chicken is almost finished, then we got the broccoli in. Alright guys, so the chicken is cooking. I was holding the camera, that's why I didn't come in front of the camera before. I was holding the camera and put the seasoning and things like that. So we got the chicken cooking there. Once it's almost finished cooked, then we got the broccoli in. Then we get to the yellow rice after that. Alright? Alright guys, so we just add some red bell pepper. Alright guys, so we put it in there and add the broccoli into the chicken. Alright, so we let this cook for the next 20 minutes and it's finished. So the broccoli don't take long to cook. Right, so we add 6 cups of water to the yellow rice, because the 3-pack was inside the package. So 2 cups per package, so we add 6 cups of water. Put it on and we go for like maybe 25-30 minutes and it's done. That's the chicken is going here. Alright guys, so the broccoli chicken finished here now. We can put it aside. We have the yellow rice is going inside the crock pot there. Once it's finished, then we can take it out and then fluff it up, and then I can show you guys how you play. Alright? Alright guys, so this is the yellow rice we make, the Spanish style fried rice, yellow rice. It was 3-pack inside the box, so we put it in the crock pot with 6 cups of water. So that's it, it's finished. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video we made, the broccoli chicken and the fried rice. Bye, see you in the next one.